Hi, lovelies. Welcome back once again to Phoebe's Kitchen, and I believe you're all doing great. Today, I want to share with you how I make my simple and delicious milky bofrot or milky puff puff. Please sit back and relax as I take you through my simple recipe. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. In a bowl, I'm adding my all-purpose or plain flour here, and I'm using 2 cups. Next, I'm adding my sugar. Next, I'm adding my baking powder. Next is my pounded nutmeg. Lastly, my yeast. Now start to mix everything together until well combined. Okay, lovelies, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. Okay, in a different bowl, add 1 egg. Next, your condensed milk. This condensed milk has been in my fridge for weeks and it became so hard. So I just added a little bit of fresh whole milk to loosen everything up. Okay, that's why it's turned this way, but it's fine. Next, add your evaporated milk and next your vanilla essence. Start to mix everything together nicely until well incorporated. Okay. Lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Okay, so now let's set it aside and bring back our flour mix. So let's add it to it, just like so. Okay, so now we're going to mix everything together with our spoon or even your hand. Okay, mix it well until everything is well combined. Next, I'm going to be adding warm, fresh whole milk, but you can use warm water. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the fresh milk gradually and not at the same time, okay? Because I'm looking for a particular texture. When I get there, I'll stop. But all the same, I'm using 1 cup of fresh whole milk. I'm adding the other half, and yes, it's all fine now. So keep mixing to get the texture you are looking for. I want mine to be a little bit like not too soft or too light and not too thick. So it's in between thick and light. Continue to mix everything together until there is no lump. So far, so good. This is what I'm going for. So next, let's cover it up with our cling film and also napkin. And then let's leave it in a warm area for about 2 hours for it to rise or double up. Okay. So lovelies, it's almost 2 hours. Now let's make our oil ready and bring our butter back. So here we are. Our butter has already doubled up. Can you see that? And it's all good. So now I'm going to use my hand to beat all the air pocket out, just like so. Okay, so now let's do it. Lovelies, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment and share this video for others to see. Also, help your girl by recommending this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. So without your hand, you can as well use your spoon or spatula to beat all the air pockets out of the batter, just like I'm doing. Alright? So we are all done, and it's now time to show you how to drop the butter in the oil. It's just simple and easy. So you scoop the butter and then you throw and catch, you throw and catch. And then in between your index finger and your thumb, you drop the butter in the oil. Okay. So now our oil is hot. Let's start dropping them just like so. If it's your first time stumbling on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. Kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes, okay? Don't forget to also smash on that bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. So lovelies, we are all done with our first batch. So far, so good. I love everything about it. I love the taste. I love the aroma. Everything is so on point and it's now ready. I love the color. Now let's bring our bofrot out of the oil and continue to fry the next batch of our bofrot or puff puff just like so. This is super amazing. The aroma is magical and is indeed a must-try recipe. Talk of the flavor is super heavily. Lovelies, keep on shuffling the bofrot and also make sure the heat is not too high or else the bofrot will fry nicely on the outside but the inside will be so raw. That is unfried butter and I hope you get it. Lovelies, the second batch of our bofrot is also ready. I love the color. So let's bring them also out of the oil. And that's it. So simple and quick to make. I love the recipe. It's amazing. And the whole family enjoyed it. Look at that. It's so inviting. And I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, lovelies, follow me on all social media handles. Okay, for more updates. Thanks for watching. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.
Now, lovelies, let's check our both food out. Ooh, I love the texture and I love how filled up this both food is. It's not airy and it's amazing. Give it a try and thank me later. Take care. Bye, y'all.